In this video, you will master tenses with lot of examples and tense changing activities in between to check your skills at the same time. So let's jump right in. We have three different time frames: present, past, and future, and four different aspects: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. And when we combine all these, we get 12 English verb tenses on the whole. Tense number one is present simple tense. Present simple tense is used to describe daily routines, facts, journal truths, or permanent situations. Like, for example, I wake up at 7 o'clock. The sun rises in the east. And the signal words you can use are usually, every day, always. Tense number two is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to describe things that are happening now at the moment. I'm watching movie right now. She is cooking dinner. So the signal word used are currently, right now, at the moment. Tense number three is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used to describe past action with a connection to the present or for experiences. Like, for example, I have visited London. He has finished his work. And the signal words are just, already, yet, never, ever. Tense number four of present time is present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is used to describe events that started in the past and are ongoing up to the present. Like, for example, I have been learning English for 3 years. She has been doing work since morning. Now come to simple past tense. Simple past tense is used to describe actions completed in the past. Like, for example, I visited Paris last year. She studied all night. And the signal words used are last night, yesterday, in 2000. Tense number two is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used to describe actions that were in progress at a specific time in the past. Like, for example, they were playing when it rained. We were watching TV when the bell rang. Like, for example, I will give you a hint that something was happening in the past that was interrupted in the past. Number three is past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is used to describe actions completed before a specific time in the past. Like, for example, I had finished dinner before he came. She had left when I came. Next is past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense is used to describe actions started in the past, continued for some time, and then completed before another past event. Like, for example, I had been waiting for an hour when the train came. He had been studying for 3 hours before the break. Now comes future tense. Future tense is used to describe actions that will happen in the future. Predictions, promises, decisions. I will call you tomorrow. I will help you. Now comes future continuous tense. Future continuous tense is used to describe actions that will be happening or that will be in progress at a specific time in future. Like, for example, I will be working at 9 p.m. I will be reading book at this time tomorrow. Next is future perfect tense. Future perfect tense is used to describe actions that will be completed by a specific time in future. Like, for example, I will have finished this project by Friday. They will have left home before noon. And the last one is future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense is used to describe actions that will start in future, continued for some time, and completed before a specific event in the future. Like, for example, by next year, I have been working here for 5 years. Let's jump into the activities. I will give you a tense and you have to change the tense into another tense. Now we will change simple present tense into present continuous tense. I read a story every day. I am reading a story right now. Simple present into simple past. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I woke up at 7 o'clock. Present continuous into present perfect continuous. They are watching movie. They have been watching movie since 8 p.m. Simple past into past continuous. She cooked dinner last night. And the past continuous is she was cooking dinner last night when the fire broke out. Present perfect into simple past. She has bought a new car. She bought a new car. Simple. You just have to eliminate has. Present perfect continuous to present perfect. They have been playing tennis since all this morning. And the present perfect is they have played tennis this morning. Past perfect into past perfect continuous. He had worked at the company for 10 years before he resigned. And the past perfect continuous is he had been working at the company for 10 years before he resigned. Okay, the next one is future simple into future continuous. She will write a letter. And the continuous form is she will be writing a letter. Future perfect into future perfect continuous. She will have completed the project by Friday. And the future perfect continuous is she will have been working on the project for 1 week by Friday. Now comes to the last activity. I will give you 8 sentences and you have to fill with appropriate form of the verb. Let's see. Number 1 is she, in brackets, go to school every day. Number 2, they, in bracket, watch a movie right now. Number 3, I, in bracket, finish the homework already. Number 4, he, in bracket, sleep when I called. Number 5 is we, in bracket, live here since 2010. Number 6, I, in bracket, visit my aunt tomorrow. Number 7, they, in bracket, work for 3 hours by noon. And number 8 is I, in bracket, eat dinner when the power went out. And the answer key is you can see on the screen. So I hope you like this video and you enjoy these activities. If you want me to make a video on some particular topic, please let me know. See you in the next video.